This video is about defragmenting. Now, you're probably wondering what defragmenting is. Well, basically what defragmenting is when your files on your hard disk is fragmented. Unfortunately, computers don't have the organised way of life that we do. Aye, right. What a computer does, when you save a file, what it does is it will plop down the information on the hard disk wherever it can find a space, which is quick saving, but it's not as quick to read. So you maybe end up with a file, half of it on the left hand side and half of it on the right hand side of the disk. And you're probably wondering, why do I need to know that? You don't, but I'm going to explain anyway. If your files are defragmented, what happens is, when you try to access those files again, the arm of the disk drive has got to whiz back and forward to the two sides of the disk to retrieve the information. Now, Windows has got a tool, it's called Windows Defragmenter. Now, in Windows 7, you don't need to worry about it. You don't even need to do nothing, because it's all done for you. This is mainly aimed at the XP people, where you've got to do it manually. But in Windows 7, by default, it does it for you. How do you access the disk defragmenter? Well, you've got to go into the system tools. So again, you go into the start menu, click here, and this wee folder here, accessories, click that, go down to system tools, and then you go down to disk defragmenter. This box appears. Now, it's slightly different in Windows XP, it's a wee bit bigger, but the principles are the same. Now, in Windows 7 you can configure a schedule, so set it and forget it sort of thing. You go in there, click that button, and it comes up here. When you tick this box, you run it on a schedule. The frequency, weekly, day, Wednesday, time, 1 o'clock in the morning. Well, my computer normally isn't on at 1 o'clock in the morning. How does that work? Well, what it does, if you're scheduled and the computer is off, the first time you boot up the computer thereafter, like Thursday morning, it will start defragmenting. It doesn't slow your computer down, it just does it in the background and the job's done, you can forget about it. The poor XP users has got to do this manually. Now I'm going to show you how to do it manually. Click this button here, Analyze Disk. I'm going to click it to show you. That's all my hard drives. It will go in and it will analyse it. So I'm going to pause the video at the moment, and once it's done, I'll start the video again. Okay, that's to analyse the disk, and because I do it very regular, it's not come up with any problems. But if it comes up with a percentage of fragmentation, you just click that defragment disk, and that's it. Let it run and it'll stop itself, and then you can do what I'm just about to do and close this. And that's it. That's all there is to defragmenting. Now, the advantages of doing this on a regular basis or doing it on a daily basis, it means that your hard drive will access your files a lot quicker than they would if they were fragmented.